Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am unboxing another Baby Alive Magical Mixers. So we're gonna go ahead and open her. I'm very excited. She's brunette, and at the end of this video is a name reveal. So it's cool. Alright, so I like the name I have picked out for her. I like it a lot. I guess, I don't know why I opened that. I guess it's not necessary to open that, but okay. I don't know. I guess we can kind of we might be able to take this out of its packaging. I am seriously so excited to open this baby doll. This is one of the ones I've wanted for a very long time, so glad that I can be opening it today. So I feel bad bending this, but yeah, I don't know how else to get her and her stuff out. You know what, maybe I should just give up on ripping up the box. Here, there we go. Now that that's off, this should be easier. So I'm gonna start, I think, with her. Oh, but I have to get the things in the back out. Oh, look at that. And here are her instructions. Long page instructions, but that's okay. I normally actually don't read through those, but if you're a new Baby Alive mommy, I completely suggest reading through the instructions because helpful tips are in them. So I keep thinking I almost have it undone. Where else? Oh my gosh. Everywhere else is. Well, they seriously have a good security system on this thing, but it would be like they have another set of instructions, so that's cool. Alright, so now we have the back tapes and stuff that we can undo if necessary. So we're gonna start with her mixer. This is the magical mixer, like I said. So I like this mixer a lot. I think this is an awesome technique to mix their food. So, very excited about this. Okay. Ow, I'm getting touched. That hurt. Sorry about that. Door. So, okay. Oh my word, this is actually very hard to get open. Okay. So here it is. I don't know if this comes off. And so I think it does. This is kind of like the bottom. And then it comes off. And the lid also comes off. So this is just super cool. And then it mixes. But if it's in here, it mixes. So you can mix up her food. I really like it on the mixer though, because it just feels more official, super cool. Really like that. Sorry about the light. That was funny. And anyways, we now have the spoon and 2 food packets. So I know what food packets are in here, so if you don't know, that's kind of a surprise to you. Anyways. Okay, so we have this banana. And then this pineapple. Oh, these are doll drinks. Wait a minute. I have another food packet. Oh, there is a difference. Okay, so she has doll drink. This is hers. It's like a doll drink, it says. This is a doll food. They're identical. I don't know. Wait, does she come with a bowl? Oh, I think you're supposed to feed her out of her mixer. I bet. Okay. Okay. I'm going to put you guys down so you can kind of see me. I'm doing the unboxing. There's cups over here. That's funny. Okay, so next we're going to get out her bottle. I like to save the doll for last because I don't know why. Ooh, that's loud. So you can feed her her drink. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay, so that's cool. Then she comes with a diaper. Wait a second. I might be taking that back. Sorry, you guys can't see what I'm doing right now. I set you guys up so you could see what I was doing in a minute. She comes with 2 diapers. That is amazing. That way you can like feed her twice. And there's 2 drinks, so that really works. Oh, the next thing we have is a comb. Super cute. Got that for her hair. So cute, like the comb. Okay, so finally, here. I can't get a good angle. Okay. This looks so weird and wrong. I promise I love my dolls, and I do not intend to look like I am hurting them in any way. I'm simply trying to get them out of their box. So, they tape them in such odd places. Okay. Oh, wait, there's 2 bands right there. Oh, my word. Okay, so now we need to cut those. Okay, so now I'm just going to move this over because a lot of packaging. And we have her, and I completely just now realized that I was about to throw her spoon away. So I need to get that out. Okay, so now we have like a spoon, and then like I said, I believe the blender thing, like you can feed her out of that. And then her spoon fits in her mouth. I really like everything that she came with. So to review this for the last time before her name reveal, we have the doll itself. We have her blender. We have her comb. So that's super cool. We have her bottle. Maybe. Okay. We have her bottle. We have her spoon. Don't know if she can hold that, so I'll just kind of put it by the mixer. Okay. Trying to set this up so you guys can all kind of see what she has. Okay. And then last but not least, she has instructions, so I'm just not going to put that by her. And she has 2 diapers. So, thanks for watching this video. But before you go, it's time for the name reveal. I tricked you, didn't I? Okay, so her name is going to be Krista. I really like this name, and I named her this for a reason that I'm not going to share, but yes, she does have a story behind her name that I'm not ready to share right now. So, anyways, her name's Krista. So, anyways, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments, let me know if you think Krista is so cute. I certainly do. Thanks for watching. Bye.